Okay, math students, here we go. Here is our next video. This is notes. It's the first one officially for the section we're calling number sense. And the first thing, of course, you're going to do is write your name right here. All right? And, you know, if you're my student, Mrs. Sissel students, you might want to put your roster number. If you're Miss Armstrong's students, you can put the date. It is the 10th today. Okay, if I use this video in the future, I guess I'm going to have to fix that. Anyway, ta-da! Notes. Number sense 1. What we're looking at is we are ordering whole numbers. Some of you, you're going to be like, oh, Mrs. Sissel, too easy. But let me tell you, some of you are going to be like, what? So, to order the numbers from least to greatest, and I left it listed there so that you know which way we're going, the first thing you want to look at is your numbers. Now notice that these are nicely laid out. Isn't that awesome? Well, you might think, big deal, so what? This is going to help you so much. Your biggest number, look at this. Nobody else has a number there. So that means our biggest number is going to be this one, 609,455. 609,455. Now, the next, we've got this. Now look, we've got two numbers. But we've already used this one, so we're going to cross that off. So I only really have one in this column, and that would be this number. So we don't have a number here. Don't mess this up. This is your comma. Pay attention. 17,307. So 17,307. And we've used that one. Now this row. Boop-a-doop-doop right here. 6,000. So we put it 6,704. And that leaves this one, 275. When you're ordering your whole numbers, you want to make sure you pay attention to place value. It is extremely important for the rest of your life that you order things, that you pay attention to where the commas and decimal points are. Okay? So for these numbers right here, our decimal point, we have one. It's invisible. We can put it there. Okay? And so our decimal point is here, 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 and here. So if it were money, $275, $6,704, okay? So, let's look at the next one. We have 394,448, 267, 62,637, 62,637, and then 2,331. Well, we want our smallest number to our biggest number. Let's go ahead and do this the opposite of what we did there. So I'm going to start here. Well, we have numbers in everything, so that's not going to help. Here, we have numbers everywhere. Here, numbers everywhere. Oh, but wait, there's nothing here at our next one. So that means this right here is our least. So that's going to be here, 267. Okay, now, go down this well. There's the 1. It's got 4 digits. 2,331. 2,331. Then we've got 5 digits right here. That would be 62, 637. And that means our biggest number has 6 digits. 365. 94,448. All right? And I don't know why we have these lines here that say answer, answer. That just is silly to me. But that's how the printout came, so that's what we roll with. All right, so let's look at number 3. Number 3, it says we have a 3-digit, a 4-digit, a 5-digit, and a 6-digit number. So again, you can go from the smallest to the biggest, or biggest to smallest, as long as you remember to put them in the appropriate place. So, I'm going to start with my biggest one, 607, 415. Cross that off. Now I've got 99202. Cross that off. Then I go up to this one, 2,363. And then the last one would be 995. No comma in that one. Now let me tell you that if I chose to, I could write 000 here. And yes, I know you can't see that because it's yellow, but trust me, it's there. Okay? It wouldn't matter. I could put 1,000 zeros in front of that, and that would still be 995. Because remember, 0 is a placeholder. So don't worry about these empty boxes, because they're just placeholders for right now. Okay? So number 4. Let's do it smallest to biggest. Least. We have a 3-digit, 526. Then we have a 4-digit, 5,705. Then we have a 5-digit, 39974. And then we have 634, 312. Okay? It really is as simple as just saying, what's the biggest number we have in the 100,000s? Well, the biggest number we have is a 6. So that's the biggest number. What's the biggest number we have in the 10,000s? Ooh, we have 2 of this same number, 2 3s. So we don't know really. Well, yes, we do, because we know that the 634,000 is bigger than just 39,000. So that tells us, boom, that one's going to go there. Now we have a 5, a 9, and a 4. Well, it's 39 instead of just 5. So that's obviously bigger than 5. And then this is like our placeholder of 0, so 526. So you can look at it just this way. 634 is bigger than 39, and 39 is bigger than 5, and 5 is bigger than 0. So that helps you with those. Now normally, your notes are going to have some guided practice, but this particular one is notes that I made up so that you get this place value thing in your head before we get into the regular notes. So I'm going to do something that's not normally done. I am going to take the actual math practice paper, and let's make this a little bigger, shall we? Go boop, 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 boop. That's as big as it goes, okay? So, I just want to do one of these with you so you can see what it is that you have to do